Hi, I'm Elizabeth Campbell.
And I'm Ben Campbell with Be Home, Idaho.
Welcome to our newest project, the Hemingway 16 luxury units.
Located in the Epicurean center of Eagle, Idaho.
Let's take a look. The Hemingway is a new mid-rise development featuring a collection of 16 luxury residences, 12 of which are unique, in the Epicurean center of downtown Eagle. With a modern historic exterior, it has been architecturally designed for the urban lifestyle experience on the inside. The Hemingway champions a new era for the amplified lifestyle. With only 16 residences available, the Hemingway offers a truly rare chance to own a home that is as unique and distinctive as you are. One of my favorite rooms in a home is the bathroom and tub area because I love taking tubs. Imagine taking a nice, beautiful bubble bath, or in this room, you can also take a beautiful rain shower. Every detail in the Hemingway is a testament to refined craftsmanship and uncompromising quality. From the moment you enter, you are enveloped by the glow of artisan lighting, casting warm ambiance. Custom oak front cabinets, waterfall quartz counters paired with a beautiful artisan tile creates a luxury experience.
My absolute favorite thing about these kitchens is the premium appliance package paired with the two-tone cabinets, Scandinavian luxury design, giving a sleek, modern look.
Live the full life of the mind, exhilarated by new ideas, intoxicated by the romance of the unusual. Find your story at the Hemingway. Thank you so much for joining us on this amazing tour.
If you want more information, DM us.
And remember, the Hemingway is where your story begins.